Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use clamshell bead tips on wire. So if you're interested, keep on watching. All of the material information and sizes will be in the description box below. Once you're done with all the beads in the wire, now it's time to put the clamshell bead tip on one of the ends of the wire. Once the clamshell bead tip is in, it's time to put the crimp bead in. This is a tube crimp bead that I use. So you just slide it in after the clamshell. Once the crimp bead is in, I'm going to use my pliers to press down the crimp bead. Now you'll want to slide the crimp bead inside the clamshell, making sure it's right inside of it so that once you close the clamshell, it stays inside and it's hidden inside. This is going to be the lobster claw side, so I'm going to add a 5mm size jump ring first and then the lobster clasp. That was the lobster claw side. Now we can move on to the jump ring side. The process for the other side will be similar. The only difference will be that instead of a lobster claw, it'll be a jump ring. And that's how the jump ring side turned out. I hope you guys found this video useful and thanks for watching. Bye!